name is Mike Lockhart, and I am the equipment manager and shop manager for Corliss Estates, and I've been here about 6.5 years. In addition to this location, we have 4 vineyards over in the Benton City, Washington area, 1 in the White Salmon, Washington area. Then we have a winery and vineyard on San Juan Island. Papé has been really helpful to us all the way around. We've run an awful lot of their equipment. We have great backup with both the parts department and the service department. Sales department's great about coming out and making sure that we're comfortable with what we've got and how to operate it, and that we're happy with what we've been getting from Papé. The service department, any questions I take to them, they're right on it and trying to help me out. They're just there when I need them, and I can keep things going, and that's what my job is. Papé has helped us a lot increase our efficiency by constantly providing updated equipment, better ways of doing things, and the fact that their people are out in the field all the time looking at what's going on and offering suggestions on how to increase efficiency. Primarily, mostly of the equipment that we've run from Papé now are the specialty vineyard tractors. We have a lot of narrow rows down to 6 feet, and they're very helpful in letting us do what we need to do as far as spraying and cultivating between these vines. We use other Papé equipment quite a bit. We love their lawnmowers. We love the John Deere gators. They're great for moving people around in the vineyards and just for doing our day-to-day work. I like doing business with Papé because we really like working with companies that are involved in the communities. This is a small town, and it operates like a small town, and when you have a company involved in that, it gives everybody a sense of community. Papé employees in this store close to us I number a lot of them amongst my friends. We do things socially in addition to business. We enjoy each other, and I think it helps us work with each other better. Papé's integrity is of great importance to me. It's part of why I use them as much as I do. I know that they feel about things the same way I do, and when I need somebody to do business with, they're going to do it the way I like it done. Papé and our business have a very good relationship together. We've done a lot of business, and we plan on doing an awful lot in the future.